Where did the socks go? Show mommy where socks go. Where did the socks go? No, be silly again. Forget about the light. Forget about the camera. Show me where those socks go. Whoa. You're so funny. What are you doing down there? Hi, get up. Hiya. Okay, you're being sillier. You're getting sillier and sillier. Andrea,